Somatotyping is a method of classifying body types. Analyze how different somatotypes would be suitable for participating in different sporting activities. Ectomorph, characterized by being tall and thin, with narrow shoulders and narrow hips. Mesomorph, characterized by a muscular appearance with wide shoulders and narrow hips. Endomorph, characterized by a pear-shaped body fatness with wide hips and narrow shoulders. AO2. Application of somatotypes to sporting activities, for example. Ectomorph, suited to activities such as marathon running and high jump. Mesomorph, suited to activities such as sprinting or rugby. Endomorph, suited to activities such as shot put and sumo wrestling. AO3. Application of somatotypes to sporting activities, for example. Ectomorph, suited to activities such as marathon running and high jump. Mesomorph, suited to activities such as sprinting or rugby. Endomorph, suited to activities such as shot put and sumo wrestling. Analysis of somatotypes to different sporting activities, for example, ectomorphy. As they are thin and lean, they have very little weight to carry around. This makes it easier to run long distances, and so their performance in a marathon could be good. The narrow shoulders, hips, and chest mean that they will be streamlined when running. This will mean there is less resistance, so they will be able to run faster over long distances. Long legs mean that stride length will be long. This will mean that they can cover ground much quicker, so running long distances will be easier for them. Long arms will help a person when playing basketball. It will help them intercept or block around a much bigger space. Being thin and lean will mean that taking part in sports such as rugby would be difficult, as they would not be able to generate much power for tackling and would find it difficult to withstand tackles. Mesomorph, a large muscle content, means that their bodies are very powerful. This extra power will mean that a 100-meter sprinter would have more speed and run a faster time. A large muscle content would benefit a rugby player, as it will enable them to tackle with greater power or withstand powerful tackles. A wedge-shaped body will enable an athlete to pump their arms faster, which in turn makes their legs move faster. This will create more speed and will therefore be more beneficial to a sprinter. This large muscular body will find it difficult to take part in endurance activities, as there is more body weight to carry around, so fatigue may set in earlier. Endomorph. A pear-shaped body is beneficial for some roles in sports that require bulk. A front row forward benefits from this, as it enables them to push more effectively in a scrum. This is the same for a sumo wrestler, as the bulk helps them push their opponent out of the playing area. Shot putters will also benefit from this extra bulk, as it will provide a powerful release of the shot which would help achieve a greater distance. A high-fat content would mean they will find it difficult to take part in endurance activities, as there is more body weight to carry around, so fatigue may set in earlier. Less height will mean that taking part in sports such as basketball will be difficult. Most basketballers are tall, so they will find it hard to intercept or get shots away, as they will be easily blocked.